Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, and I'm ready to run out of here and watch the great debate tonight. Pure entertainment at this point, but before we go ahead and get political, let's get physical and run out of here after I get this report started. Without further ado, it's 4 o'clock, the markets, they're about to close. I'm going to keep waving my hands and grab myself a drink, and probably a few more later on. Why? Because it's a special happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now stocks, they are higher this Wednesday, helped by strong earnings, rising oil, as well as economic data. So let's first begin with oil up more than 2.5% after the EIA reported a 5.3 million barrel drawdown. Prices up 2.6%, $51.60 a barrel. Meanwhile, on the earnings front, the season continuing. Morgan Stanley, Abbott Labs, BB&T, companies exceeding expectations on both earnings as well as revenue. While over on the economic front, the Fed releasing its latest Beige Book, which said economic activity increased at a modest pace in most regions. Other economic data released today: housing starts down 9% last month, but building permits up 6.3%. And at the same time, the dollar flat, Europe higher, Asia mixed, and we have ourselves a session where about 3 stocks on the upside for every decliner, less than a block away over at the New York Stock Exchange. Let's go and take a look to see how the markets are shaping up to close out this, the more than halfway point of the trading week. And yes, market participants and the world keeping an eye on the U.S. presidential election, with Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump scheduled to hold their third and final debate before the election. But there's an even bigger debate that's not about tonight, not about the presidency. The real question is the following: which is better to yell out, Baba Booey, or hit him with the hind? I like them both, original and hitting them with the hind. They're both great. From Modern Wall Street, saying I'll see you all tomorrow. We'll find out which candidate hit who with the hind tomorrow. I'm James Sweeney.